Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about fancy crochet blouse ideas that are stylish, elegant, and perfect for adding a handmade touch to your wardrobe. If you love unique fashion pieces or you're looking for inspiration for your next crochet project, then you're definitely in the right place. Crochet blouses have become increasingly popular because they combine creativity with comfort. Each piece is not just clothing, it's a work of art. From delicate lace patterns to bold, textured designs, crochet allows endless possibilities. As you watch these beautiful blouse ideas on your screen, notice how each design stands out in its own way. Some feature intricate floral patterns that give a soft and feminine look, while others showcase geometric stitches that feel modern and bold. One of the best things about crochet blouses is their versatility. You can wear them casually with jeans or dress them up with a skirt for a more elegant occasion. Whether it's a summer outing, a beach day, or even a special event, there's always a crochet blouse that fits perfectly. You'll also see a variety of sleeve styles in this collection, from sleeveless and off-shoulder designs to long, flowy sleeves. Each blouse brings a different vibe. Some are light and airy, perfect for warm weather, while others are slightly thicker and cozy for cooler days. Color plays a huge role in these designs as well. Neutral tones like white, beige, and cream give a classic and timeless look. On the other hand, bright and bold colors like red, yellow, and blue make the blouse stand out and feel more vibrant and fun. Another detail to pay attention to is the neckline. You'll notice V-necks, high necks, square cuts, and even halter styles. These small details can completely change the overall appearance of the blouse and help match different personal styles. For those of you who love DIY, these ideas can serve as great inspiration for your next crochet project. You can mix patterns, experiment with colors, and even customize designs to create something truly unique. And if you're someone who prefers buying ready-made pieces, these styles can help you discover what to look for when shopping, whether it's the stitch detail, the fit, or the overall design. As you continue watching, take your time to explore each design. You might find something minimal and elegant, or something bold and eye-catching that instantly becomes your favorite. Let me know in the comments which crochet blouse style you like the most. I'd love to hear your thoughts and favorites. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful crochet ideas and fashion inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.